See, look at you guys, man. Guys, I'm a freaking baby, man. YouTube, what's up, man? This is our newest episode of I Was Busted, man. I drop a bishop, a whole freaking piece. I'm literally done. What do? You attack like a psycho. What happens? I don't know. You tell me. Another funny thing that happened on the stream, I get a little emotional. I'm watching chat and I'm seeing all the love. We have a beautiful community. I was a little bit of a baby. Can I get 15 likes on this video? I think we can. Hit that sub button. Hit the bell to get notifications for more chess. Love you guys. Yeah, baby. We're live. It's tournament day. I got my freaking lucky shirt on. Coffee's on. We're in a game. Let me show you what's happening here. Guy played C4, man. C4, I play E5. Knight C3, man, I just like to play F5. I'm a bad person. So now we will start to try and fight for a little control of the D5 square. So D6. Oh, I think in these lines you get rid of this bishop, don't you? I think you get rid of this bishop. This might give him this move, though. That might not have been good. This looks weird. I'm gonna castle. Looks weird. Oh no! God, I thought he had a queen check. That would have sucked. Guys, I'm a busy man. What's that move called? Not many know about. Pawn Assant. It's called En Passant, Sky. So I got the YouTube thing done. I made a freaking cool thumbnail for it. I had to go online and order more stuff, guys. If I'm gonna be taking my laptop bag on the road, you saw the mic I bought, which actually is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I need a couple of Ethernet cables, like a 10-footer and a 25-footer. We got really good things happening with the stream, guys. I gotta move. Here's the good things that are happening in our community, okay? We know Jessica just got a freaking new job. She got a promotion, more money, job she's always wanted. Jessica's got good news, man. She's killing it. Freaking Stagner, guys. Stagner passed he had a big test, and he freaking passed it. I kind of figured he would, right? But it's still a very important part of the process. Freaking Hallberg's mom, she's coming home Wednesday, next Wednesday. It's been a major life event for him and for us here to be with him. See, look at you guys, man. Guys, I'm a freaking baby, man. I'm a baby. Talking about Hallberg's mom, and I see he's saying, "Congratulations, Stagner." It's like, I'm a freaking baby, dude. Gosh, I didn't expect that, man. I didn't expect that. I just look and read something. I wasn't looking to get emotional. I'm never looking to get emotional. Sometimes it just, it comes on you, man. It comes on you. So now we must develop. He pushes because he wants to attack this square. So what do? Do we push it to center? I literally think I have to play this move. Yeah, I gotta move. He developed. Bishop. I think we'll come here. I think it's not a bad spot. Okay, plays D3. I want to push, but I want to develop. This is an idea, but that just helps him push this square. I almost feel like I want to push. Bringing a knight. Yeah, he castled. Okay. I think I'm going to bring a rook. Get it off that long diag, right? I mean, could this be a bad move? He wants to just really attack the base, man. I literally think I'm going to play this move. Worst thing that can happen to you is when you're trying to stream is have an itch on your nose. You guys remember when you read a stack of books freaking this tall? Business books, right? You guys read business books, right? The Predator's Ball, how Ronald Perlman did the hostile takeover of Revlon, or Swim the Sharks by Harvey Mackay, Mackay Envelopes, the largest manufacturer of envelopes in the United States. You guys read all those books, right? How to make money in stocks, right? Wealth without risk. You guys read these books, right? I mean, they're required learning. I mean, you got a whole life ahead of you. You got to read that crap when you're like 20, right? So then you know that stuff. Well, I read a book, an entrepreneur book, and they talked about the guy who started Dunkin' Donuts. And he started it in a bad neighborhood, in a lower income, bad neighborhood. And when the coffee vendor came, the guy's like, okay, show me your best coffee. And the vendor's like, no, this is a low income area. You need the cheap coffee. That gives him a beautiful infiltration square. I screwed up. I blundered already, guys. We blundered. Oh, no, we can do this. The queen can come in on that. The queen can come in. He said, I want the best coffee you have. Give me the best coffee. And when he opened up the first Dunkin' Donuts in that freaking bad neighborhood, low income neighborhood, he got the best gourmet coffee you could get. Something to think about, guys. Dunkin' Donuts. A few years later, how'd the guy do for himself? Well, I don't want to lose an exchange, right? If I lose a freaking pawn, but what about that infiltration? Another way to save from losing the queen is like move it. But that gives his pawn. I'm taking. Okay, now this pawn, I could counterattack a pawn and maybe keep the queen out. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that drops this pawn. I'm just doing this to try and save the pawn. Knight in, here, queen here. Thank you for coming in, man. I guess we just let the queen side go and play f4. We play chess every day. If you're Charles Duncan, if you're interested in chess or you used to play, there's a lot of people that hang out here. Yeah, man. There's a lot of people that hang out here that don't even play chess. Okay, I gotta move. I guess I have to take. Now the queen will come. Oh, I draw my bishop. This loses. Hey, you know what? Felt good for a second. Michael Sackett says, used to play chess a long time ago, but dig in the music, my man. You know, this is my music. This is me playing guitar. Beginner friendly. Oh yeah, man. If you just like want to learn to move the pieces, man, go watch a YouTube video and then come back and we'll take you from there. Yeah, this does nothing. This all does nothing. Guys, it's all does nothing. This is kind of cool. I mean, I ain't gonna say it's not. It's bad. Well, no, it's bad. No, it's bad. It's bad. There's double threats here, man. He misplayed this. Well, if I would have just not dropped this freaking bishop, right? What would David do? For you new people, that WWD stands for what would David do? He is our house FIDE master. He's a professional chess player. He's here all the time. As a matter of fact, he was here a few minutes ago. And so whenever we're trying to find a good move, we say, what would David do? And yeah, you guys are telling me to watch my time too, man. I'm doing the best I can over here. First, I get the first game blues, guys. I'm only down a piece. I don't have enough for the attack, but you know what? Let's keep score. This knight doesn't play. This bishop plays in counterattack. It might actually be able to play in defense too. That's bad. This bishop is defending, and I have no white bishop to trade it off. So this is a pretty good defending piece. And the queen can actually come to help defend too. Well, but I've got a check, and I'm attacking this square. So we'll see. If you haven't said hello, maybe you're new to the stream, you know, and you're like, what is the community, man? What they play chess and they just talk about life, and you don't have to be alone, man. You could come into the fold. This has been today's episode of Lurker Love. All right, back to the game, folks. Charlie has a big attack on the square f2. Attacks on h2. He's down a full bishop. He's counting on these pieces being offsides. My opponent is rated higher than me, so he's probably not going to be a sucker. Yeah, he played that move, man. I think I have to play the check. I don't have f4. I mean g5. I think I have to play the check, and and then I have to play queen takes here, hitting this square. Because checks are good, right? Oh yeah, I can take with the rook. I can take with the rook. He can't play bishop. He has no real threats, man. Guys, I don't know. I think I'm losing. This would be I was busted. This will go on YouTube as I was busted. Now he has to sack the queen, and I get this with check. There's no mate. I have to look. I have to look. Check. I have to be careful of back rank, right? I can take this with check, but I can't pick up the knight because of the back rank mate. I could take it with check and then maybe take this one with check and then stop the back rank mate. You know what I'm saying? Grab a couple pawns. He's got bishop pair, man. Rook here is going to just immediately have a threat. I'm going to play the check because I don't know what else to do. I think I'm going to play knight here. This is just for time. This is just for time. Just for time. So let us stop the back rank mate. No, I don't stop it that way. Hopefully you won't see it. Guys, I have 29 seconds. Forgive me. I got this, though. 2 more, Nate. See? 2 more. What? I missed it. What do you do? He saves the knight. Okay. Do we want to block now? I gotta stop the back rank mate so stuff can move. As a matter of fact, this is just a really nasty threat. Right? If you're new to chess, if you used to play chess, you thought about getting back into it, you watch a Queen's Gambit maybe. Maybe you're in a lockdown or you kind of played a little bit in your lockdown. This is the place to be, man. What do you do? What do you do? He plays a knight move, attacking my queen. Okay. And threatening anything? Nope, we're just gonna come here. That check was just for time. Yeah. I felt like the position was different. There is a fork here, guys. I saw this fork earlier, and I'm threatening this. That drops my queen. I pretty much win a bishop here, guys. Right?
Much love.
I win a bishop, I think. Oh, well. Oh, he could take this, push, and defend with the rook. Going forward. Okay. Get behind the pawn. That might have been a blunder. He could come somewhere and threaten a fork, but I could check and then queen. I got 28 seconds. That's what Stockfish does, guys. Stockfish pushes the freaking pawn, man. I could play this move too, reinforce the knight. So you could play like something like this, like hoping for a cheapie, right? But I'll just pin it. And how the rook can't come back now. He kind of screwed up. Taking the bishop. Maybe this one goes next. Honestly, you don't even know how to play chess, but just watching this makes me feel smarter, Nate. It made you smarter, dude. You are 1,000% smarter right now. Getting closer to the king. Looking at a square. Nothing fancy. This knight's unprotected, so I can move like about anywhere and attack the knight. It will have to move. I can maybe hit the rook. And then you would have to do this, right. Where does it go? Don't see it. Can I hit? Oh my gosh, can I pin it? I don't like the pin. There's a rook check. There's no fork on the queen. That's what I have to be aware of. I'm a little pumped up on coffee, guys. I drink too much coffee. Someone asked me about it the other day, and I get a little pumped up, but I was working, man. I was making a YouTube video in the freaking, the thumbnail. Huh. This is bad because it puts me on a forking square, guys. I can't let him rook check me and make me take. You know what I'm saying? I think I just stay far away. Rook check, I stay far away. Because that way he can't make me take the rook and then fork. King up is the way I could go wrong. These are my checks. But I'm attacking this square and the knight. So I get this with check. And then I probably get the rook. It goes like check, 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 free rook. Yes, save the knight. We take with check. Then I'm gonna have checks. I'm gonna have to bring the knight in with another check. The knight really wants to keep on the rook. It can't. Guys, I shouldn't be bragging right now about winning this. I'm up a queen for a rook and a pawn. But I was busted. I haven't had a good I was busted video in a long time, guys. I mean, I don't know. You like to take pawns with check? I do. Now, if he goes to a checking square, I check and win the knight. So he has to go like to this square or something. The knight's gone. Say goodbye. Yeah, it's gone. It's a queen. Yeah. Okay, I have 26 seconds. I can relax. This wins more material. There are no checks. Pin, knight takes, queen takes. Queen's got to get paid, dude. The queen takes it, dude. Queen walks in and says, I am in charge. It's a move, says Jessica. Yeah. Oh, I had mate. Didn't see it, guys. I'm too focused on this. Low on time. Yeah. I see it now. I saw it before. Oh, that was a rough game, man. Guys, we won the first game.